Hey, how's it going, everyone? In the last lesson, we checked out how we could import code from other files and modules into our Python program. In this lesson, we'll extend on that a bit and check out how we can install additional modules or packages into our Python installation. So I'll just go to Google and I'll search for matplotlib. Matplotlib. This is a library that allows us to make graphs and charts in Python. It's actually quite heavily used in when doing data science or data analysis work. But the focus of this tutorial is really how to install these packages. So if I go to the website, somewhere on the website it's going to tell you how to install the library. In this case, I'm going to click on getting started, and it tells you installation quick start, install using pip or conda. We won't worry about conda, but install using pip says pip install matplotlib. So to install this library, what we have to do is copy this pip install matplotlib, copy, and we want to paste it in our console window. So terminal on, if you're on Linux, or command prompt on Windows. You can also use the Windows terminal. Whatever you're using, you just want to do pip install matplotlib. So that's exactly what they provided here. So I'll just press enter, and what this will do is it'll get the matplotlib library and install it in your Python, in your installation of Python. And from there, just like we did for math, we'll be able to import and execute functions and features from the matplotlib library. Once this is done, okay, it's done. I'll just copy this code for simplicity. You see, we are importing matplotlib. We are also importing something called NumPy. That's another library quite heavily used in the data science and data analytics space. We have some code here, and then this is just using some functions in the matplotlib library. So this np is using something in the NumPy library, and this bit is using something from the matplotlib library. If I run this file, I can find the instruction. Okay, there we go. And you see we get a chart. Now once again, this code is not what's important here. Basically, the main idea of this lesson is to show you how you can install libraries and packages that you find on the web. So sometimes you'll come across websites that will tell you to install the package or library using pip. So in that case, you just copy this, paste it in command prompt, and it should work. If we wish to see all the packages we've installed, we can just do pip list in our command prompt or terminal, and if I hit enter, you'll get a list of all of the packages that you've installed using pip. And if you want to remove a package, you can do that with pip uninstall and the package name. So let's say if I wanted to remove matplotlib, I can just do matplotlib. So pip uninstall matplotlib, and it's going to ask me to confirm. So I'll just do y, and there you go, it uninstalls matplotlib. So if I did pip list again, okay, so there's this matplotlib inline, but that's something else. You can see matplotlib is not here. If I were to install it again, let's do pip list. Yeah, you can see matplotlib here. So this inline is something else. Matplotlib was the one that was uninstalled. One more useful function with pip is the ability to create a list, a file with all of the packages you've installed. So what I can do is pip breeze space and I'll put a greater than symbol, space, and the name of the file you wish to write this to. So I'll just say requirements.txt. That's normally the file you create for this. So once again, pip freeze greater than sign, the name of the file, which is usually requirements.txt. And if I hit enter, give it a second, you can see we get a requirements.txt file whichever folder was open in our command prompt or terminal. So if I open this up in VS Code, you can see the list of all of the packages that we'd seen earlier. So we can find matplotlib here as well. There you go. And this equals, you have the version number. So let's say you want to install all of these packages on an installation of Python that does not have them already. You can see it's quite a bit, so going through these one by one will take a bit of time. So something you can do is pip install -r and then the file you wish to use, so requirements.txt. And what this will do is it'll go through the file and install all of the packages that are listed along with the versions. This is quite useful when you're working on one machine for development and then you have to release it on another or maybe on a server. Then you can create the program on your machine, create this requirements.txt file, and then install all of the packages on the production machine using this requirements.txt file. In another lesson, we'll discuss how to create an environment, which is basically like a self-contained installation of Python where you can install all the packages you like and it's not going to affect your main installation. So everything you install will be kept to like that environment, and so that's all for today, and happy coding.